Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Access modifiers in Python play a crucial role in controlling the visibility and accessibility of class members. These modifiers include public, protected, and private, which determine whether an attribute or method can be accessed from outside the class. Additionally, the __doc___ attribute is used to access the docstring, providing documentation for your classes, functions, or modules. Public members are accessible from anywhere in the program. By default, all members in a Python class are public. Protected members should not be accessed from outside the class but can be accessed in subclasses. To indicate a protected member, prefix the attribute or method name with a single underscore. Private members should not be accessed from outside the class. To indicate a private member, prefix the attribute or method name with two underscores. The __doc___ attribute contains the docstring of a class, function, or module. It is a string that provides information about the object. In this example, the __doc___ attribute is used to access the docstrings for the class, constructor, and method. Understanding and utilizing access modifiers and the __doc___ attribute will enhance the readability and maintainability of your Python code. Properly documenting your code helps both you and others who may be working with or maintaining your code in the future. ChatGPT